How to change name in iPhone messages. To get started, first of all open the Settings app on your iPhone. Once you are here, scroll down and find the Apps option. Tap on Apps and search for Messages. Tap on Edit Name and Photo to open the Name Editor. This opens your profile panel with options for name and photo. Tap on the first name field and enter the new first name you want to use. Tap on the last name field and update your last name as needed. Check the preview to make sure the spelling and order look correct. Tap on Done at the top right to save your changes. This updates your iMessage profile name and does not change how your name appears in other people's contacts. You can repeat these steps anytime if you want to adjust your name later. Following these steps, you can easily change names in iPhone messages. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.